Howdy, this is Dr. Astronomy from Homeless Astronomy, and I've sat out here a solid hour looking for the meteors, and I didn't see a single one. So adios meteors, I'm getting on with some regular astronomy. Okay, here's a trick for you astronomers. If you can't sight in your telescope on the moon, you can use Jupiter. See, that there is Jupiter. There we have it with its moons. So if you can't sight in on the moon, you can use Jupiter. Okay? Cool. Now we're all sighted in. Well, right after I said that, I saw 2 meteors. So now I'm all pissed off. I'm laying in a driveway. So I guess I'm working on the ground tonight. But I did find 2 stars for us. We have Alzir and something Geminorum. Something Geminorum because I'm not too proud to say I don't know what it is and I'm too lazy to look it up. You can look it up if you want to know what it is. But let's start off with Alzir. Let's take a look at it in the star chart. And there we have Alzir at 261 degrees. And now that we know where Alzir is, let's take a look at it in my Decovir telescope. And there we have Alzir out in the southwest. It's kind of dim. Blow it up a little bit, and let's blow it up one more time. And finally, let's track Alzir across the sky and have words about it. Z Geminorum, formerly named Alzir, is a star in the zodiac constellation of Gemini. It forms one of the 4 feet of the Gemini twins. This star is bright enough to be seen with the naked eye and is 58.7 light years from Earth. Now, let's take a look at something Geminorum. Let's take a look at it in the star chart. Well, after some investigation, I believe this is Alpha Geminorum, but I'm still not positive. But we're looking at it at 260 degrees in the west. Now that we know where something Geminorum is, let's take a look at it in my Decovir telescope. And there we have Alpha Geminorum. And yes, I do my voiceovers after I film myself when I'm doing the editing. That's why it's now Alpha Geminorum. And finally, let's track it across the sky and have words about it. If I can find any words to have about it, this is going to be a tough one to find. Okay, if I am correct, the proper name for this is 57 Geminorum. It is in Gemini, and it is a yellow star, so I am hoping and guessing that's what it is. But don't take Dr. Astronomy's word for it, because I could find nothing about it other than the possible name. And this has been Alzir and something Geminorum. Yeah, I'm not afraid to say I don't know what some of the shit is. You know, I'm not a doctor of astronomy. I'm call myself Dr. Astronomy because about 2 years ago, one of my followers started calling me Dr. Astronomy, and we both thought it was cool, so I started using it. No, I do have degrees, but my degrees are in theology, not astronomy. So I come across something like that and I don't know what it is. You know, it doesn't bother me to say I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. You guys can look it up. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned more than I did. And I'll catch y'all later.